sorry Patrick, this didn't work for me, but your collection is cute though and it's pretty. It looks a mess. Hello everyone, hi! So excited, I'm so excited! Oyinka here. So today I'll finally get the chance to try the MAC Patrick Starrr collaboration. So when he had the first release, I didn't get a chance to try anything. You know what it is? I'm not a MAC girl, I'm a Sephora girl. Like I really do not. Patrick got me out here at MAC, and you know what? The girls are really nice. It was great service, such a great service that I almost found myself creating a little beauty account with them, and I was just like, no, I can't. I have to be loyal to Sephora. Oh wait, first of all, before we even get started, make sure you subscribe. Also turn on your notifications as well. Can we talk about this packaging though? This packaging is absolutely beautiful. You already know pink is my favorite color, so I am like in love. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, like I want to keep this box. Like I want to keep the packaging. I haven't opened it yet. And then when you open it up, it's like this purple tissue. Every little thing matters to me. Every little thing matters to me. So it's a little purple tissue situation. I don't see colored tissue in every packaging in makeup that I buy. I really don't. Like I don't see like, oh, that stuff matters. I'm like in love. Pink is my favorite color, so I'm so excited to try this. That's 2 sets for his spring collaboration. I got the Miso Fleek because it has more pink and more purple and more blues, like, you know, more colors. It's more bold. There's more colors to play with. I'm scared, of course, but you know, I'm about to look it up, okay? When you unravel your purple tissue paper, you get this beautiful, oh my gosh, this is very pretty. This very beautifully packaged pink. I'm gonna keep this even when it runs out because it's so pretty that it deserves to be kept. I love, like, great packaging gets me every time. A little gold detailing around it, purple flower situation. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I haven't used the MAC lipstick since I was about maybe 20. Maybe 20. I'm 26, so yeah. I'm really a Sephora girl. And then it comes with this lip gloss, which I might not use because I'm not a gloss girl. You guys already know that, but here's the gloss. Such beautiful packaging. I'm here for the packaging. Can't tell me nothing. Here is blush. Oh, this is way too cute. The blush, it comes with a mirror inside. This is a lot. It retails for $50. I paid $50 for all of this, literally, and it comes with eyeshadow as well. I've never heard of anything being that cheap at MAC or Sephora or anywhere. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is so gorge. The eyeshadow quad alone at MAC would have been like $32 on its own. So for us to get the eyeshadow, the lipstick, the lip gloss, and blush all for $50, that is a steal. I don't know how he negotiated this, but yes, Patrick, for looking out for everybody. That's literally looking out for everybody. The youngins who don't have a job, the older people who can't afford, or those who just want to save a coin. So that's amazing. Oh my gosh, it comes with this inside also. I didn't even know that. Should I try to do this look? Say, spring into fierceness and blossom into your own beauty. Live your floral fantasy. Aw, this is so cute. This is so cute. Should I attempt at this look? I don't know if I can do this. I might try this little blue, purple, whatever situation. I might try it. I'm gonna start off with priming my brows already done. So I'm gonna start off with priming my eyelids with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I'm so hyped because I wanted his first collaboration. I wanted it, and then I was like, you know what, I can't wait to get it. And then when it sold out, I was like, oh man, I should have gotten it. Like, I really wanted it. I've been watching Patrick's videos for years because he's just so funny, and I love bold personalities, okay? Because we here. I just swatched that blue. Alright, I swatched all of them. But that blue, though, that blue is super duper pigmented, okay? So here's all 4 colors swatched. So pretty. I feel like he put everything in there, so you shouldn't need something else. Maybe you have a transition color, you have a, like, you kind of have everything in here, so We'll see. I don't know the name of the colors, but I'm gonna go into this one right over here for my crease. I like this as a crease color. It's actually pretty. It's a color similar to this that I used to use in the Carly Bybel palette a while ago, like a year ago. So excited for Patrick. I mean, honestly, like I love, you guys already know I love supporting people of color. I love supporting entrepreneurs. So this, I'm just so excited for all that he's accomplishing. Yes, Patrick, you better work. He's doing great things. Shout out to Jesus. Shout out to Jesus, man. Happy for him. There we go. I don't know how I'm gonna do this blue situation, if I am gonna do blue. How do you do this face? Like, I don't know which one to go with next. I guess if I put... I'm so scared, but we're gonna go with the hot pink. We're gonna go with the hot pink and put the hot pink on the corners. I am freaking out. Like, I'm freaking out, man. Because I don't know how this is gonna turn out. But if it looks crazy, I'll just fix it and do like a mauve look. Alright, so now that we have a backup plan, I feel more confident with doing this. I'll fix it, do a mauve look, and be like, sorry, Patrick, this didn't work for me, but your collection is cute though, and it's pretty. Okay, that's how we looking so far. Next, I'm gonna go into the blue shade, using my finger for this one. For some reason, for my lid, I just use my finger. I tend to use my finger for my lid. We're just gonna dive in. I feel like Trey Songz. I'm about to dive in. Oh, is that how I did? Oh, very minimal fallout. Like, I'm not experiencing any fallout, and you know, blues tend to have a lot. In my experience, I've noticed that blues tend to have a lot of fallout. So I don't know how he pulled that off, but very minimal fallout. I do have like a little bit of do over here. Blend her out. I feel like I need more. Full lid. I didn't watch any other reviews on this product because whenever I review anything, I don't like to watch reviews. I like to just do it and then maybe I'll watch like other people's thoughts afterwards, but I don't like to watch reviews prior to. Let me blend all of this out. Hold up. Wow, it looks a mess. It looks a mess. I'm trying to fix it. But struggling. I'm gonna fix it later. If it still looks messy at the end, I'll fix it later, but I'm gonna do my usual method of liner, which is the Urban Decay Basquiat, like I usually do. I don't know if that blue liner is gonna look right. The blue that I usually use, it usually comes through for me. It's like a dark blue. Oh gosh, this is stressful. Oh my gosh, I smudged. It's messy. Going into the black shadow a little bit because I'm like struggling here. Just to darken the liner so you can see that it's darker than the blue that's already on my lid. Yes, the birds are chirping. It's 5 in the morning. It's 5 in the morning. That's why. I fix my eyes after the foundation, but for primer, for face primer, I'll be using the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. It's also created by a blogger, Marianne Hewitt and Lauren, both bloggers. Oh, you know what? This is the Pat McGrath Mothership 3 palette. I'm gonna add this iridescent shade like right on top. Oh, this might, because it's like a blue-ish. Oh, wait a minute. I like it better. I always need a shimmer. I don't know, I'm so weird. If I'm not shimmering, I don't feel like it looks right. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna add, gosh, this shade is so perfect. I don't know the name of it. The name is not on the back, but I use this iridescent shade on top of the blue shade, and it's, oh gosh, thank you, Aunt Patty. Pat McGrath always got my back. Yes! Putting on Fenty Beauty foundation and staining my Ankara with foundation. Concealing with NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Concealing, I meant highlighting. You know what I mean! Concealing, highlighting, tomato. Went in with my beauty blender. I didn't wet her this time because I don't have time. I'm setting that baby with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So while the powder is sitting, baking, cooking into my skin, I'm gonna put on lashes. I get excited every time I mention lashes because, you know, a girl is new to this, you know. Going in with the Iman blushing powder, it chisels me out. Placing that same pink on my lower lash line. It's hard for me to show you, but Face Better Than Sex mascara. Back into the eyeshadow quad. I am going into this color. So I used all 4 shades. I'm proud of myself. Oh, it's pigmented. I'm going to put this in my inner corners. Oh. 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 Okay. Going into the Artist Couture Jackie Aina Le Bronze. Hey, there's a blush. There's a blush. Hold up. There's a blush. Okay. I forgot. I haven't used blush in so long. Like, where do you even put her? Where do you put her? You know what? Okay. Okay. I'll make this work. I need a blush brush. Do I even have a blush brush? I haven't used blush in a couple years. This brush is from the BH Cosmetics It's My Ray Ray collab. And I'm just going to use that darker blush. There's a lighter and a darker. I'd rather just use the darker. I'm scared because I don't really do blush, but you know, we'll do this. We'll do this. And I'm going to do a little bit. Yeah, that's fine. I don't know if you can see it or not. I can barely see it, but I'm scared because I haven't used blush in a long time. But that's fine. Back to Le Bronze. She is so pigmented. She is so pigmented. I like his blush. It's easy to use if you haven't used blush in a very long time because it's not super crazy pigmented. It's subtle, which is great. I don't feel like blush needs to be ya ya ya. Like ya 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 is too much. I need you to be more and less ya ya ya. You get what I'm saying? Maybe I'll continue using this blush. Top it off with La Peach. Using my fingers to just put the La Peach right on top. I don't see it. Yeah, that looks about right. Now for lippies. Excited about this. Lipstick is my favorite part of makeup ever, ever, ever. Pretty. This is her right over here. She is very pretty. Oh, wow. And it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells like, wait. I don't know, but, oh my gosh, but it smells really good. Okay. This is pretty. Like this shade. Oh, this is so pretty. Wow. I love wearing like pinks and purple on my lips because they look amazing on me. I really don't want to do this gloss because I feel like it's going to mess up everything. Gloss messes up everything. I'll do it this one time and then I'll probably like wipe it off and then put the lippy back on matte. Here's the gloss. She's cute or whatever. It's glossy. What else do you expect from a gloss? Okay, here it is with the gloss on. I'm just so not a gloss girl. I just don't. I'm trying to see. It's not terrible. Oh, should I keep it on? Should I keep the gloss on? I don't know. Oh gosh, this is hard. I don't know. When you think about it. I don't know, Patrick, this is stressful. Okay, while I think about this, I'm gonna add some La Peach to my inner corner. Yes, La Peach! Yeah, I'll keep the gloss on. I'll keep the flipping gloss on. Almost forgot about my, oh my gosh. I almost forgot about my brow bone. I'm gonna put this shade into my brow bone. It's pretty up there. It's very pretty. You know what, like this, honestly, you can just take this eyeshadow quad with you somewhere, like if you're traveling, and you'd be fine. Like if you're okay with doing this bold look, you know what I mean? Like you'd be fine. You wouldn't need to really add. I know I added Pat McGrath on it, but it's not like needed. I just love to shimmer, and I'm a shimmer addict, so I can't not wear shimmer on my lid. But I feel like this is like, he covered everything. He covered everything. Like everything you were gonna need, he covered it. Like brow bone, inner corner highlight, lid, crease, like everything. Everything. I'm into it. A little more shimmer because you know how I do. Here are my thoughts on the MAC Cosmetics Patrick Starrr Fleek Spring Collection. I think it's amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of him. I really love it. I love how everything blends together. I had a problem with the blue, but that's just because I'm still learning, you know. So a color that bold on my lid, usually I put blue like in my waterline or, you know, down here, but a color that bold on my lid takes like a lot more learning for me. And easily just take this with you while traveling and you'd be fine. You know, if you want to do a cute pink look and just do pink and go off. If you want to just like, wow, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy, I feel like, you know. And I'm not a professional, so for me to say that, I feel like it might be easier for someone else who may be a slight novice or one thing or another or whatever. I like the blush. The blush is super duper duper easy to use. It's not crazy pigmented, so it doesn't like get too much. You know, when a blush, when you just put one swipe and it's like, whoa. I don't need that in my life. I'm more of a highlighter kind of girl. I don't need a bunch of blush, so this is perfect. I love, oh my gosh, I love this dark shade. I love this dark one over here. I feel like that's definitely perfect for my skin tone. He looked out for us girls. He looked out. This lippy is wonderful. I love this shade. Even though I already have this a shade similar to this by other companies, I would never stop buying this shade because I just think it looks phenomenal. My skin tone, and I would try it by every brand, literally. You know, I'm not a gloss girl, but somehow this gloss looks really great on this lippy, so I'm gonna keep it on. And I'm not a gloss girl. Like, I really don't like gloss on my lips. I really like a super duper duper matte lip. Like, matte as in matte. Doesn't transfer or nothing. I'm that girl that likes non-transferring matte lipstick. But you got me. Look at this. 11 p.m. I've had this makeup on by mistake. I meant to take it off earlier, but I've had it on for about 66 is 12 plus 5. Wow, for about 17, 18 hours because I put this on at 4 or 5 a.m. Whew. I didn't mean to keep it on, but I fell asleep with it on and it's still on. It's still on even though I fell asleep by mistake. I took a nap by mistake. I meant to edit this video and have it up the same day and I ended up falling asleep while editing. But yes, Patrick, do you see this? Do you see this? Like, it's still on. It's still on. It's still on. I am just so proud of Patrick. Like, this is really amazing. And I can't wait to wear this blue situation a whole lot. I'm so excited. Yes. Yes, Patrick. Yes. Oh, and the lippy, I took off the lippy because I took most of it off. Because I can't with the gloss. It was getting everywhere. It was getting on my cups while I was drinking water. Yeah. And you know I'm not a gloss girl, so it's nothing against his gloss. It's just not my thing. Like, I'm not a gloss girl. Congratulations on everything, Patrick Starrr. God bless you. I wish you all the best. I'm excited for you. I'm excited for your future. God bless, man. I'm happy for you because I've been watching your channel for years and it's amazing to see how far you've come. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I love you. God loves you. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe and check out my other videos right over here. Thank you so much. Bye.